Hello, good day here. Nurse Aisha. Nurse Aisha, are you busy?
Oh, but I'm finished now.
No problem. You can take your time, eh?
I'm finished.
Okay. Please, I don't know whether you have CD. When you were
CD, Kuma. CD plate.
No, now.
They sell it, madam. I said a cassette. Those people that they sell cassette.
No, Aisha, no, now. Condom. Do you have condom?
Condom?
Yes.
Condom?
I want to buy condom.
What are you use condom for?
If they sell them, I mean they sell them.
No, I don't sell that kind of thing on my shop. That is haram. You never ever use that. Any person that uses a condom, well, she's going to hellfire.
It's okay. Bye-bye.
Don't ever come to my shop to talk about condom.
Bye-bye.
If you want CD plate, to go to where they sell CD plate. Why marry condom? How about? It is a drop of malaria that you are supposed to buy to shave your head. Well, condom. Let's see name shit.
Auntie Nurse. Madam Nurse, Madam Nurse.
Now waiting. Shebi you want to come out the roofing of this shop. Madam Nurse, you dey shout as if you dey studio. No be me dey here for your front me.
I beg no vex,
Kilo dey wetin happen? Wetin you want to buy?
I beg you get CD.
Kini CD? Wetin be CD?
Condom.
But she na condom, you no fit to call condom, you dey call CD on top. Shey wetin dey worry you? You want dey use me dey play, dey use me dey shine this afternoon. You no fit to call condom, you dey say CD.
No vex, I beg you.
Now you go, now you dey vex o. First say me I no want wahala o.
I beg you get condom, make I dey go.
Wait, say wetin dey use condom? Yesterday you come to this shop, you no only condom you see me dey sell for this. So this my pharmacy where I go, where I get certificate. No only condom me I dey sell. Yesterday you come buy 6 condom. Wait, shebi na that small girl, that girl whenever where I go even swear. Say that girl she never reach 18 years. And she dey use all this condom on top inside her body. Yeah, then before yesterday I be shebi na yesterday after before yesterday I see this girl dey waka peke. You don shift her womb. You don dey even shift the waist. Very soon that girl no go waka again on top your matter. Now God dey watch you o. You and this peke. You no fit be man. You no fit come to women where they like us.
I beg you get condom, I be say you no get condom.
I beg you. No, they follow me talk like that. I get condom now. I get no be here you buy yesterday. I get condom. How many you want?
I beg give me 1 condom.
Wait, you want to buy condom? Go circle where they sell 15 naira. One, and you carry 1,000 naira, come meet me. No be say you dey buy duress, abi dey buy kiss where be say money dey up. Now go circle 15 naira for poor people like you. You carry 1,000 naira, come give me.
No be money I give you.
Oriope, you no get sense. Now sense where you no get. Olori buruku, you dey mad, you dey craze. You carry 1,000 naira to buy. Maybe I go look for change. You dey mad. Take this money come out here. When you ready to buy, you carry change come my shop. Rada. Ogun na him go finish you this afternoon if you no come out from my shop.
And your sister? The girl
na
your sister?
Yeah.
Troublemaker.
They spoil
Troublemaker.
Ode. See big head. Ole, you do your thief. See ah. Yeah. Inti man of you big self. Yeah. Oh. No. Wait, I just come this pharmacy now. They want to kill me with call. Who is this now? Hello, this is Let Me Choose Pharmacy landline. Who am I on to? Hey! Madam Wazobia, good afternoon. Permit me, I'm sorry. Okay, hi. God, I forgot. Your test results, they are out. They came out. I was supposed to call you yesterday, Madam Wazobia. My boss is doing the birthday, his wife's birthday today. So I've been very busy. I'm so occupied. I'm the one running around for the birthday. He's doing a surprise birthday for his beloved wife. Look at the woman. Of course. Yes, Her Royal Majesty, Lolo, Chukwuemeka, Priska Chineyanga, Nanyimobidia. Hi, man.
No, so, good afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Madam Nurse.
1 minute. Her husband likes, wife. Okay, he's a man. If you see the money he's spending for his wife for this birthday, I want to marry a man like him. Yes, now, anyways, I won't blame him because, of course, Lolo is a very nice woman. She makes the home peaceful and lovely. So, what do you expect? Hey, let me not customer in the shop. Let me not.
No, so
I'm coming now. Madam Wazobia, please don't come today because I'll be going for the after party. I'll go there. Yes, come tomorrow or a day after because I will have hangover tomorrow. Okay, bye. Thank you. Hey, Wazobia.
Madam Nurse.
I was on call. You don't want me to finish this call.
Hey,
my boss now. When you shop, let me choose pharmacy. Today, his wife, yes.
Happy birthday
Lord,
to her.
happy birthday to her. She's a very nice woman, yes.
Madam, please, do you have CD?
This boy. You mean condom?
Now you come.
Or condom, kid, you quick as condom. Can you CD? We have it though. Hey, dim. Waga. Hey, akolo. Zubani, you know why? Every time you are women. No, dear my sister. No, dear my sister.
Give me.
Hey,
Waga.
Which one do you want? Make your choice. We
Which
have
one?
them assorted.
Which one do you have?
I'm with Judas. I'm with Okerebo. Andy. Omelora. So make your choice.
Madam Nurse, which one Judas and then Pokerebo again and then Omelora?
Don't tell me you're a novice. Judas, kiss, you know. Okerebo, do Rex, you know. Omelora. Can't good circle. Very affordable. So which one do you want?
Madam Nurse, Pokerebo, do Rex.
Hey, Wagawa! From big and then let's go. Strong man, lion of the tribe of this family. So which one do Rex?
Give me the Rex.
Okay, how many?
Just give me one. One is okay.
But now don't fall your hands. Which one is one? How can one be okay? Okay, wait, what do you want to use it for? Do you want for protection or for prevention? Prevention of pregnancy, protection from
Two of them is now.
Two of them, one cannot be enough. Now you need 7. Yes. You need 7, of course. You know, these germs are very, very dangerous. So 7 will be here protected. You know, when they fight the first one, the second one, the third one, they will give up. So by the time Faru that the fourth one, you're out of the well.
Give me two.
Are you sure? Yeast infection is very dangerous. When we use bagasi, they are very, very dangerous.
Madam Nurse, give me 2. 2 is okay.
Bagaba, you need 7. You need 3.
Give me 3.
Do baby kitchen. Hey, bagaba.
Oh, Madam Nurse.
What Durex? Yeah, 3. Bring 3 for every customer. Hey,
this is your sense.
This is your sense.